Balado, shot on 3, basket for 3 points. Dalawa na lang po.
Gagot eh.
Yung taon, body the ball, pass to Mr. Hime. Hime to Mr. Hime. Hime ngayon, shot on 2, basket for 2 points. Mr. Balando. Balando, shot on 3, wala. Hime. Okay, basket for 2 points. Mr. Hime, pass to Mr. Lactao, basket for 2 points. 59 down to 55. Apat po ang hinahabol.
Malalapit na matapos yan?
Tenorio. Mr. Marbella. Basket for 2. Ritero. Pass to Mr. Opiniano to Mr. Latek. To Mr. Tenorio, basket for 2 points. 61 down to 59. Magsino. Marbella. On the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Ritero.
61.
Sir Peñano.
61-59.
Peñano, shot on 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Lactao. Lactao. Pass to Mr. Marabella. To Mr. Hime. Hime, body the ball, pass to Mr. Magsino, intercepted by Mr. Openiano. Openiano to Mr. Latek. Okay, basket for 2 points.
All na.
Okay, deadlock na po tayo sa 61. Yeah. Deadlock na po tayo sa 61. Okay, rebounded by Mr. Magsino. Magsino. Si Mr. Marbella, wala. Balando. Tenorio, okay. Change favor na po tayo. Lamang na po ang lamang. Manila. Hime. Hime ngayon. Harassed by the defender. Basket for 2 points. Victoriano. Okay, bola ng Lahong. Hime. Deadlock ang score natin sa 63. Hime. So Mr. Magsino. Okay, intercept ng Mr. Victoriano. Victoriano ngayon to Mr. Balanda. Basket na doon. Mighty Mother. Basket count. And jersey number 15. Head. And 1 shot awarded to Mr. Balanda. Score 65 down to 63 and favor up. Okay, ta-da! Magsino. To Mr. Hime. Mr. Hime yon. On the perimeter shot. Basket for 2 points. Deadlock na po tayo sa 65. Victoriano to Mr. Basket. Hime. Ano yun, ref? Ref. Jersey number 00, Mr. Bailando, blocking foul, and 2 shots awarded to Mr. Hime. Hindi pala 2 shots, sorry. Hime. Mr. Hime. Wala. Rotero. Rotero ngayon. Okay, basket for 2 points. 69 down to 65. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng mga taga-Manila. Ano yun? Magsino. Basket for 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Balondo. 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Victoriano. Mr. Retero. Basket for 2 points. 71 down to 67. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Hime. Basket for 2 points. Balondo. Magsino. Wala. Mr. Hime, basket for 2 points kay Mr. Hime. Deadlock na pong score. Retero. Looking for a test. Shot on 3. Basket for 3 points kay Mr. Retero. Hime, pass to Mr. Hime. Hime, harassed by Kapitan. Mr. Hime, wala. Rebound by Mr. Magsino. Basket for 2 points by Mr. Magsino. 74-73 sa pangkalaban ng mga taga-Manila. Victoriano, shot on 3. Basket for 3 points. Hime. Okay, who's for ref? Jersey number 17, black and fall. 77 down to 73. Last 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Ay, yeah. Victoriano. Retero. Last 3 minutes and 15. Hime. Hime. Basket for 2 points by Mr. Hime. Mr. Victoriano. Victoriano. Sino yan? Retero. Retero ngayon. Shot of 2. Wala. Retero again. Wala ka pa yan. Okay. But there's a whistle. 2 minutes and 48. 2 minutes and 48. Okay, ready jumpers for the last throw. Dos minutos and 48 segundos na lang tabi ang natutuda na oras. Magsino. Magsino ngayon. Magsino. Pass Mr. Marbella. Marbella, the parameter shot. Wala. Ibaga to Mr. Retero. Wala. Ibaga to Mr. Lactao. Lactao intercept. Okay, Hime. 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 To Mr. Magsino. Magsino ngayon. Shot on 2. Wala pa rin. Ibaga by Mr. Tenorio. Tenorio to Mr. Victoriano. Last 2 minutes and 15. Okay, ginagamit niya yung oras. Ibaga. Pass Mr. Victoriano, shot on 3. Wala, paano tayo Mr. Okay, na-turn to whistle. And 1 second. Okay, wala. Ready jumpers for the last draw. Okay, pag nagsunod ang bola, stop. Okay. Ate Nicole, Budaya. Last 2 minutes. Balondo. Balondo kayo lang. Nagpamanila sa may Garatena. Basket for 2 points. 83-75. Lamang na po ng ibang taga Manila. Laktaw. Laktaw to Mr. Hime. Hime. Okay, basket for 2 points. Victoriano. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, the first result. Basket count 19. Illegal conduct and 1 shot awarded to Mr. Joker. Okay. Basket count. And blocking foul by jersey number 1. And
4. Pag pumasok to, 3.
okay, 1 shot awarded to Mr. Hime. Last 1 minute and 15. Balondo. Okay, stepping on the line. Okay, substitution. 8 and 7 seconds. Hime. Hime. Okay, table. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Marbella. Wala. Rebound of Mr. Gonzaga. Basket for 2 points. Last 52 seconds. Balondo. Last 40 seconds. Okay, basket. Okay. Time. Manila boy. 14. Okay, Rivera bombing the ball. Looking for a pass. To neck. Latek. Okay, who's correct? Jersey number 21. Two shots awarded to Latek. Last 28 seconds. When the 27. Okay, bola. Okay, Mr. Gonzaga. Last 13.2 seconds. Last 9 seconds. Last 2. Okay, congratulations to the Team of Manila. Final score 85 down to 83.